All right, 1976 Bultaco Alpina 350. Replacing the points and the condenser on this thing. One thing that is suggested is to relocate the condenser from this location here. That's the original location, which here's the original coil or condenser here. And that condenser sits in there like that on this magneto. And then the wire fishes through the back there and comes around here, and it connects into the points which sit here, which are being replaced. Now, because it gets hot here, these condensers tend to fail. So the suggestion is to move this condenser up. You can move it up to somewhere on the frame up here. So here's the new condenser right here. I've already mounted it. I found a little stud here on the horn. See, there's a little 2 bolts here that hold the horn on, and I was able just to get a little nut. So I put the new condenser, I pushed the new condenser on. It comes with this little bracket with a hole in it. Put the condenser in there and just spun a nut on there and tightened it up good. So the new condenser is going to sit up there instead of down here in this little hole. So it'll be more removed from heat, so it will be less likely to fail, but also it's easier to change. You don't have to take, because you have to take this whole magneto thing off, and the wire comes through here and it goes through this little plastic thing and then back through this little hole, and then grounds out to the points which sit here, which I'm also replacing. So it's a lot easier to move it up here. Comes with a little connector on it, and it connects into on these Bultacos, or on really any bike, into the primary ignition. It's a black on a Bultaco. It's the black wire. So it's this here. So I'm just gonna probably cut this and bare some wire, and either on this side or on the back side, tie it into the black. Just tie it into the black wire here in this junction box. And that does the exact same thing. That's connecting to the exact same place as if we were to connect it here and just tie it into the points here. So you can see the black wire there. There's a black wire there that hooks into the points. So it's the exact same thing to connect that black wire up here into the black junction box. It's just the wire goes from here up and goes into the junction box, the black wire. So it's the same thing. So black wire, connect them together, mount it here, get it out of the heat, make it easier to replace, easier to service. And that's what you can do on older bikes like this old 76 Bultaco. And maybe other bikes too, but I've heard that these Bultacos can really benefit from relocating the condenser. Thanks for watching.